Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable, how to turn off your sensors on your Android phone. If you are using Android or if you are using any Samsung Galaxy phone, so you can try this method. So just you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out system information, or in some phone you can get about system option. Just you need to find out the developer option on your phone. If you are facing difficulty to find out the developer option, just use the search box to find out the developer option. If you don't enable the developer option, just you need to enable the developer option on your phone. To how to enable the developer option, if you don't know, you can try this method. Open your phone settings, go to about phone like this, and here guys, go to software information. From here tap on build number 4 to 5 times, and then you can enable the developer option. Okay, after the developer option is enabled, open the developer option and enable the developer option first. Okay, and scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option quick settings developer tiles. Just tap and open it, and here you can get the option sensor off. So by default the option is disabled. Just you need to enable the option to disable your all sensors of your Android phone. That's it. Okay, so from here you can easily able to do this. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.